from Crafter's Companion and the Sara Davies Flutterby collection, luxury foiled pearl cardstock pad. Now these are 8 1/4 by 11 3/4 sheets of 250 weight GSM. This is one big pad all together. It's all connected here at the top. And this, again, this is from the Sara Davies signature collection from the Flutterby collection. So you're seeing the images here on the front that are actually in here. Let's get into this. It starts with silver foiling. So 24 sheets all together. So let me do this. There we go. 24 sheets. You're getting 6 designs and 4 different colored foil finishes. And it's all on pearlescent cardstock. So that's not just white cardstock. So in the background, it's pearlescent. So it's really shimmery, shiny in the background, and it's got this silver foiling on the front. So let's look at those designs. We have butterflies on the first page, and we're going through the silver foiling right now. We have words, script all across the page. That pearlescent is what really makes it super shiny even when you're not looking at the foil. Large flourishes in silver foil. Hearts. So lots of fun images to work with. More butterflies. This one's even more packed with butterflies than that first page. And then you've got dots that start small at the bottom and move into being large up at the top. So these are going to be perfect for adding detail or covering a card really quickly. I can see covering a card and then just placing like a die cut word down at the bottom of this. That's just a really simple thing to do. Now we're into that second finish, rainbow iridescent. So it's got that nice shiny look on there, but look, the colors of that just sort of change colors as you move it. That is amazing. It's just an amazing look, and it's still pearlescent cardstock in the background. So we've got the butterflies again. We've got the text. So each of those 4 finishes and these beautiful looks. And we'll get through to the next one, the same type of look, all with the iridescent rainbow finish. And then we get into white foiling. It's white on white. This would be great for congratulations cards, for wedding cards, for thank yous, for just a hello. But it's white foiling on white pearlescent. So the same images is really kind of hard for me to show you those images on white foiling, but in person it makes just a really kind of a stunning look. It's nice for a background to add a little bit of focal right in the front. And the last one is iridescent sparkle. So it's kind of, you're saying, well, God, I kind of can't see anything there, but I'm going to lift it up in a second, and then you're going to see the sparkle. There you go. So it's got sparkle, but it's kind of a white on white iridescent, but not the rainbow in this one, and it does have that sparkle on that pearlescent. So it's really pretty unique, and again, you're getting 6 designs in that iridescent sparkle. Trying to show you, there we go, the same 6 designs. So all of those different finishes, all in one place, and it's 24 sheets. See Paper Wishes for more in the Flutterby collection to see how perfectly these designer cardstocks match the rest of the Sara Davies collection.